friends, a warm good morning to you all. So this video is for the 10th standard students who are going to face their board exams right now. So for you guys, I'm going to just give you all the chapters, contents, and also the important numericals for you guys to prepare from tomorrow. So in this video right now, so today it's the first day for you guys. So I just wanted to introduce you to the actual blueprint so that if you are aware with the blueprint, then it will be very easy for you guys to follow it up on which chapters you are getting maximum number of marks and all those things. So for anything a proper plan is required. So let's start with the actual plan right now and let's go into the blueprint and wish you all the very best. So you guys can pass on to your friends so that everybody gets everybody gets equally benefited. And let's go into the session right now and all the very best to you guys. Hello guys, in this session we are going to see the blueprint for the upcoming 10th standard board examination in max. So as you all know that you have got 15 chapters in max. So one of them constructions was deleted, so the total is 14. So now let us go chapter wise and see what is how many marks are being distributed for various chapters, so that if you get to know this, then you'll have a detailed plan on how to study and how to go about it. So let's go into this blueprint right now. So as you can see in real numbers, there are totally 5 marks, out of which 2 are MCQs, and that out of that 2, one is an assertion and reason type question and one is 3 marks. So totally you have 5 marks for real numbers, and then polynomials you have 2 MCQs and then 1 3 mark. So you have got again another 5 marks for polynomials. Next is PLE, pair of linear equations in 2 variables. You have only 1 MCQ, 1 2 mark and 1 3 mark. So the total weightage is 6. Next, quadratic equations, you have just 5 marks and that is a single 5 mark question. And next comes AP arithmetic progressions. In arithmetic progressions you just have a case study question. And then next comes the main red alert danger zone, that is in triangles. Totally you have got 3 MCQs, 1 2 marks and 1 5 marks. So totally you have got 10 marks in triangles. In fact, the only chapter which is touching the double digit score in terms of marks. So that is triangles. Next comes coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, you have 2 MCQs, out of which one is an assertion and reason, and then one case study based question. So totally you have got 6 marks in coordinate geometry. Next comes trigonometry. Trigonometry, you have got 3 MCQs, 1 2 mark, 1 3 mark. So total weightage is 8. And then comes applications of trigonometry, wherein you have a single case study question of 4 marks. And then comes circles you have got 1 MCQ, 1 2 marks and 1 3 marks. So the total weightage is 6. And now comes areas related to circles. In areas related to circles you have 2 MCQs, 1 2 mark. So the total weightage is 4. And surface areas and volumes you have got 1 MCQ, 1 5 marks. So the total weightage is 6. Next comes statistics. You have got 2 MCQs and 1 5 mark question, wherein your total weightage is 7. And now comes probability. Wherein you have got only 1 MCQ and 1 3 marks, 4 marks. I think now with this planning, you guys can clearly understand what are the various distribution of marks and how the questions are being distributed from various chapters, so that when we go to the actual preparation it will be very easy for you guys to follow up. So from tomorrow onwards we can follow up chapter wise. We can take one chapter at a time and then we can collectively rock and roll together. And after this I have also done a separate unique analysis, the color code, based on the color codes, the various colors I have given order of importance from the least to the highest color wise. So here if you see the gray colors are of least importance. From the table itself you can see probability, applications of trigonometry. So probability and applications of trigonometry, AP and areas related to circles. So yeah, probability, areas related to circles, applications of trigonometry, and then comes AP. So those 4 chapters are full gray areas. So the total number of marks allotted for the chapter is 4. So these chapters are not that important as far as the exam point of view in terms of the mark distribution. Next comes orange. It is slightly important about the gray unit. It is slightly important about the gray unit wherein you have got 3 chapters: real numbers, polynomials, and QE. You can see here itself real numbers, polynomials, and quadratic equations. So those are orange based questions. I mean, those are orange based units, and you have got slight importance as far as the gray is concerned. Next comes pink. Pink is much more important than gray and orange, wherein you have got 4 chapters under pink: pair of linear equations, coordinate geometry, circles, and surface areas. So actually this pink unit actually comes exactly between the units which are not that important and the units are very important. So it comes as a sandwich between both of them. So pink is great unit. It has got 4 chapters for 6 marks each: pair of linear equations, coordinate geometry, circles, and also surface areas of volumes. Next comes the order of priority. Main order of priority: red, green, blue color code. So blue, you have got only 1 chapter, which is statistics, very important chapter. And then comes green, wherein you have got a chapter of utmost great importance, trigonometry, wherein is for 8 marks. And then comes the red, danger or alert zone, which is triangles. So while preparing for the exams, you have to be preparing in this order: red, green, blue. Those 3 are very important: triangles, trigonometry, and statistics. And afterwards comes pink. So red, green, blue, pink, orange, and gray. In science, you would have studied red, green, blue together are called primary colors. So I will put it in this way: primary colors, pink, orange, and gray. Like this, you can remember. So while preparing for the exam, please remember this code so that it will be very useful for you guys while preparing. At least for the last minute while you are writing your tests and while you are practicing by yourself, it will be very essential to follow this guideline. If you follow that, it will be really helpful. Okay, now I think with a proper analysis of the blueprint, it will be very helpful for you to prepare. So let's take up 1 chapter at a time from tomorrow onwards, wherein we can collectively rock and roll. Thank you very much, and all the very best to you guys.